Are you a doctor running a private practice and you're putting off purchasing medical equipment because the price tag is just too high? Before you decide that you can't afford the equipment, let's talk about something many practice owners overlook: medical equipment financing. Because sometimes the question isn't whether you can afford the equipment. The better question is, what financing option makes the most sense for your practice? When you're running a private practice, your cash has to work in multiple places. You may need money for payroll, rent, medical supplies, marketing, technology, and unexpected expenses. So putting a large amount of cash into one piece of equipment could potentially put unnecessary pressure on your working capital. That's where financing may become an option worth exploring. Depending on your practice and the equipment you're purchasing, you may have access to different financing structures. These could include equipment financing, flexible payment terms, fixed monthly payments, and financing options for new or refurbished equipment. The advantage is that instead of paying the entire cost up front, you may be able to spread the expense over time. Let's say your practice needs a piece of equipment that costs tens of thousands of dollars. Instead of using a significant portion of your available cash immediately, financing could allow you to make scheduled payments while keeping some capital available for other business needs. That money could help support your staff, marketing, supplies, technology, or future expansion. But here's something extremely important. Don't focus only on the monthly payment. You also need to understand the interest rate, fees, repayment term, total amount you'll pay, and how the financing fits into your practice's cash flow. So when you're considering your next medical equipment purchase, don't just ask, "How much does this equipment cost?" Ask, "What financing options are available?" And even more importantly, which option makes the most financial sense for my practice? The goal isn't simply to find someone willing to finance your equipment. The goal is to find a financing structure that supports your practice without unnecessarily restricting your cash flow. If you're a physician or private practice owner considering new medical equipment, take the time to compare your options before signing an agreement. Your equipment should help your practice grow, not create unnecessary financial pressure. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe, and share it with another physician or practice owner who may need to hear this. And remember, before you buy the equipment, understand the financing behind it.